We just waited in a 1-hour line for the new H Mart in Dublin.
And we're showing you everything inside so you don't have to wait in the 1-hour line. These are the big, and they have an outside seating area too. It's still $15.64. Y'all, this H Mart is opening and it's a line to get. Look at how long that line is to get through. It's to get in? Fuck that. You really want to do this? This is crazy. Wait, this is crazy. This is a line to get in to H Mart all the way to Ross. That's crazy. Yeah. I want only certain stuff in my frame. And people, it's like they see a camera and they don't do that. Oh, that might be what it is. Give you a card. Look at the noodle. I see it. It looked like Ranch 99. Alright. Oh, I think those noodles I be talking about.
The lo mein.
And these too. Yes. They got a sushi boat. Oh, salmon, because I'm not. Like, we just stuck. Look at this. Just stuck.
I gotta come back and look at all this.
You want to try this? Whatever this is. Korean pancake.
Yeah.
It ain't ready yet. No. Korean pancake.
I'm gonna try that.
What? Rice bowl. Will you grab it for you?
It's octopus, y'all. Try it.
It's rice bowl. Oh, but is it actually in there or is it just a flavor?
I don't know. That's good.
Like, is it actually octopus in there? Is it like, you know how ramen noodles be having lobster flavor? You want to get them? Oh, I want some of these chips though. Them is roasted corn. I don't want no corn chips. Yeah. I know. It's okay. Oh, what's this? I never seen this. Oh, cheese. Yuck. Yuck. I don't like none of the cheese ones.
That might be good.
I don't know about that. Oh, they got those Korean style mozzarella corn dogs. I don't need no dairy right now, but that's cool. They got that. I'm like, I guess. I have no idea. We got to figure it out. Excuse me, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. For bloated? Why do they look like candy? Like,
Not even gonna lie, if these help with bloating and they taste good, that's actually really dangerous.
right? Because most of the stuff for digestion, it tastes not that good, or it feels like medicine. But these, let's see. Oh, these feel like candy.
Thumbs up?
Yeah. You gotta try one.
Okay, just give me one. I think I can actually take these without forcing it.
See? These are worth trying, just off this alone.
I think
It's
so.
crazy in here, y'all. They have a whole kimchi wall. A literal kimchi wall. Like, look, it's a kimchi wall. That's why all the kimchi over there. Banchan. You guys, I'm trying to get the most of everything, but it's like so crowded in here. So I'm gonna like piece it together the best I can because it's so crowded. But I'm trying to get everything. The food court I think is straight, huh?
Oh, okay.
I don't know. It might just be the lines. Oh, I'm not in line. I'm recording. They do. It's ridiculous. The ice cup with lemon. Like a literally cup of ice. Like you can buy a cup of ice. That is so crazy. Like, what? A whole big ice cup. Ice lovers will love this. Ooh, they have these ice creams. Remember these? The white peaches, the blue, the green. I'm looking for the steak ice cream. Let's see if I find it. Excuse me. Let me see. Corn. Let's see if I find the steak ice cream. I finally got to the food court, y'all. Like, egg toast. And they have an outside seating area too. Polices. No problem. I don't see nothing I want to get though. But it's a madhouse in here. Oh. chips. And they beat me to it, but we didn't find them. So we didn't find the steak ice creams, but they brought themselves back from the chips. So yeah, it's like so many chips. I'm gonna go back the other way because I was able to like sneak through. It's so freaking busy in here. Excuse me. Like it's so busy.
In Japan.
Oh, look, Kit Kats. I don't know what this is, but I gotta go find it, y'all. I'll be back. These crabs, y'all. Sorry, excuse me. Look at these crabs. So crazy. Look at these lobsters. Wow.
These are the big king crabs. Like, oh my god, you can literally get a whole king crab. Like, this is insane. Let me get this angle for y'all. This is insane. Like, insane. Look at the lobster tails.
Huh?
No, not yet. A member.
Oh no.
Yes, please.
Okay, it's spent, guys. I guess I do like them. They're still $15.64. Yeah, that's still good.
This kimchi, y'all, for $3.09. They go by pound and weight. So, and it's spicy cabbage kimchi. It's my favorite. Smells like kimchi. Oh yeah.
Good.
That hit.